Hey everyone, my name is Nedi and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to download Steam, the gaming client. And first thing, we will go to Steam website. Just Google Steam and it's the first result. So, second thing, you can see here, install Steam, click it and install Steam now. It will automatically check your operation system and it will recognize it as Ubuntu. Open with software installed, the default one. Okay, let it download and then open, let it work, and now install. And after a while it will ask for the password, then give the password of your client, of your Ubuntu machine, authenticate, and wait the magic begin. So now let's go and search Steam. Click it. I have read and accept those terms and OK. You can read it, but usually no one reads. Just click OK. So now the terminal pop up and it will ask you the password of your super user account. Enter it. Come on. What I'm do wrong? Oh, my numlock is isn't clicked. So now, oh come on, again. What? So I will pause the video. So now, after you enter your password correctly, it will start the download, and then it will ask you if do you want to continue. It will ask you there is additional that much of megabytes additional disk space will be used, so it's okay. If you downloading games you will use much more than that. So let's give it a second to download all those files. Let's make it bigger. You can skip this part in the video. So now it will say press return to continue. Come on, don't mess with me. And now let's see what happened. Let's go. Oh, here is the Steam application. Let's open it. Come on, Steam. So as you can see, in this version of Ubuntu there is some problem with the Steam, but I found in web some method to solve it. So the first thing we do is we'll remove this file. We do it with the terminal, of course. Paste it, enter. So now it should be okay. Let's check it out. Open the Steam. Let him 1 second. Oh, and it's working. So now let's give him time to update. Come on. And it's done with the updating, and now it's extracting the packages that he downloaded, and after that it should be okay. Come on, let's open it once more. Oh, it doesn't need to, it's automatic. Now it's checking for available updates. It's not should take long, but let's give him time. So it's done. If you want, you can create a new account or just log in with your existing account. So it's all for today, everyone. If you liked the video, please click like in down below, and if you can, please give us a nice comment. If you have any questions, you can ask them as well, and I really try to help you. Thank you and good day.